Hey, today is Monday, September 21st, and for World Without Fish today, you need your book out, and then in your packet, you have a question sheet that says Lesson 7, so this is for Lesson 7, and what you're going to do today is you're going to read, starting on page 52, looks like this. You're going to read 52 through 61, and the first time I want you to read it, just read it all the way through, and then I want you to read this section again, and I want you to be taking notes for each section, okay? So you're going to want at least 2 sticky notes on each page, getting the gist of the text, okay? So you're going to read it one time, read it through, and then you're going to read it again for the gist where you're taking your notes, okay? You're going to come across some words that I want you to write down and get the definitions for. So the words that I want you to look up are myth, and you're going to see that word right at the beginning of chapter 4 here. So you're going to have myth and bounty. Look up those definitions and put those in your vocabulary notebooks. And then you're going to come across words like indestructible on page 53. Look that one up. Influential, you'll see that one. So you'll have myth, bounty, indestructible, influential, scarce, anatomy, and staunch. So there's 7 words that I want you to look up those definitions for. So one thing we've been practicing in class is how to find the meaning of words you don't know. So use context clues. Use root words or prefixes or suffixes to try to help you figure out those words. If you can read around the word, replace it with another word so that you can try to find meaning. And then you can look it up in a dictionary if you don't know. So our last resort is always going to be to Google it. So those are the pages I want you to read today. After you've read for gist, I want you to, there's 9 questions for lesson 7, and you need to support your answers with evidence from the text. So make sure you're writing in complete sentences. We're in middle school, we need to make sure we're doing that. And then you're gonna write what page number you found your answers on, okay? So that's pretty much it for today. This should take you probably about an hour, okay? See you tomorrow.